Hello and welcome. In this session, I'm going to guide you through the powerful steps of building self-confidence. Confidence is not something you are born with or without. It is a skill. And like every skill, it can be learned, practiced, and mastered. 1. Understanding confidence. First, let's understand what confidence really means. Confidence is not about being loud, arrogant, or trying to impress others. True confidence is a quiet belief in yourself, that you are capable, that you can learn, and that you can handle challenges. If you believe in your ability to grow, even if you are not perfect right now, you are already building confidence. 2. The power of self-talk. The second step is mastering your self-talk. The words you say to yourself matter more than what anyone else says. When you make mistakes, instead of saying, "I'm useless, I can't do this," replace it with, "I'm learning. I can try again." Every expert was once a beginner. Confidence grows when your inner voice becomes supportive instead of destructive. 3. Small wins. Every day. The third way to build confidence is through small wins. Don't wait for a huge achievement to feel confident. Instead, focus on completing small daily tasks, like finishing a workout, studying for an hour, speaking up once in class, or learning a new word in English. Every time you succeed in a small task, you prove to yourself that you are capable, and that proof becomes the foundation of your confidence. 4. Body language shapes mindset. Now let's talk about body language. Your mind and body are connected. If you stand tall, keep your shoulders open, and make eye contact, you feel more confident. Try this simple exercise. Right now, sit up straight, breathe deeply, and smile slightly. Notice the difference? This is your body telling your mind, "I am strong, I am capable." 5. Preparation and practice. Another secret of confident people is preparation. Imagine two students, one who studied carefully and one who did not. Who will feel more confident in the exam? Obviously the prepared one. Confidence often comes from preparation. If you want to speak in public, practice in front of a mirror. If you want to answer interview questions, prepare your answers in advance. The more prepared you are, the less fear controls you. 6. Facing fear. Step by step. Let's face the truth. Confidence is not the absence of fear. Everyone feels fear. The difference is that confident people act even when they are afraid. Start small. If you fear speaking to strangers, begin by smiling at one person. Next day, say hello. Later, ask a question. Slowly, your comfort zone will expand and your fear will shrink. 7th, stop comparing yourself. One of the biggest enemies of confidence is constant comparison. Remember, everyone has a different journey. If you compare your chapter 1 with someone else's chapter 20, you will always feel small. Instead, compare yourself with who you were yesterday. Ask, am I improving? Am I stronger, calmer, or wiser than before? That's the only comparison that matters. 8. Surround yourself with positivity. Confidence is also influenced by your environment. If you are surrounded by people who always criticize, mock, or discourage you, your confidence will be destroyed. But if you spend time with people who encourage you, who believe in growth, and who share knowledge, your confidence will naturally rise. Choose your circle wisely. Positive energy builds positive belief. 9. Learn to accept failures. No one is perfect. Every successful person has failed many times. The difference is that they saw failure as feedback, not as a final defeat. When you fail, ask, what can I learn from this? How can I do better next time? With this mindset, every failure becomes a stepping stone to confidence. 10. Daily confidence habits. Finally, here are 3 daily habits to strengthen your confidence. Affirmations. Start your day with sentences like, I am capable, I am learning, I am improving every day. Gratitude. Write down 3 things you are grateful for. Gratitude removes negative self-doubt. Skill practice. Spend a little time daily improving one skill. Confidence grows when competence grows. Closing. So, to build self-confidence, change your self-talk, celebrate small wins, use positive body language, prepare well, face fear step by step, stop comparing, surround yourself with positivity, accept failures, and practice confidence habits daily. Confidence is not built in one day, but if you keep practicing, you will look back after a few months and realize you are no longer the same person. You are stronger, calmer, and more self-assured. Thank you for listening to this lesson on building self-confidence. Keep practicing, believe in yourself, and remember, the more you act, the more your confidence will grow.